Shopping for a new package unit? Whether it's a gas pack, heat pump, or straight AC unit, add these must-have accessories for a smooth, worry-free installation and setup. Electrical whip. This flexible conduit connects your package unit to the power source. Designed for outdoor use, it makes electrical installation easy. Disconnect switch. A required safety feature that makes powering off during maintenance and emergencies quick and easy. Smart thermostat. Take full control of your comfort with a programmable or Wi-Fi enabled thermostat. It helps reduce energy use and lets you control your unit anywhere, anytime with your smartphone. Thermostat Wire ensures a reliable connection between your unit and the thermostat. Be sure to replace your old wire whenever you upgrade or change thermostat types. Optional electric heat kit. Many packaged heat pumps and AC-only units can be fitted with an electric heat kit that can supply extra heat in cold weather. Square to round adapters. Convert your package unit square duct connection to fit your home's round ductwork, ensuring a quick install and optimal airflow. All of these accessories are available on every HVACdirect.com product page. Shop now and get everything you need in one place. HVACdirect.com. Better systems, better prices.